Hey, it's Ian, and doesn't it frustrate you when you're looking for AA batteries but all you can find are AAAs? Well, we have the perfect solution for you. This is the AAA to AA battery converters. Now these are super simple to use. All you need to do is take a AAA battery, pop it into the converter, and you have a fully functional AA battery. Now another thing you're gonna love is that this will save you a ton of money in the long run, because instead of buying two separate types of batteries, all you'll ever need to buy is AAAs. And as you already well know, buying your batteries in bulk is way cheaper than buying individual packs. And that's why this deal comes with 8 individual converters, so as long as you have AAAs, you'll always have a AA as well. Now these converters will work with any AAA battery, whether you're using Alkaline, Super Duty, lithium ion, rechargeable, and just about any others you can think of. Now this is an everyday household essential, whether you're keeping these in your arsenal of batteries or even just having a few lying around in your junk drawer, because this solves that essential problem any family has come across. You're trying to change out the batteries in your remote control just to find out you're one AA short. Well, not anymore. We have an awesome deal on the site for these that you're not going to want to miss out on. So head on over there and save money on batteries today.